Ellie and I are like peanut butter and jelly. Ellie's path was chosen to be a therapy dog. When we walk through the door at the retirement home, Ellie sees Jeff and her tail starts wagging. And so she gets to have some quality time with her best buddy.
He does have some health problems, and I think Ellie is a big part of keeping Jeff lifted up.
And we love you too.
They don't have a lot of maybe family that visits, so she spreads a lot of love at the Bayberry.
We love you to death.
When Ellie goes to Vaughn Elementary School, Ellie brings to these children a non-judgmental ear.
I really don't like reading, but I like reading to Ellie.
I have seen kids who were very quiet and shy, and we would have them come into the reading group with Ellie. They can read with her in a safe environment and then go into the classroom with more confidence.
And look at the difference that Ellie has made in my child's life. I was at the point with Josiah that I thought, when is this child ever going to learn to read? He was always afraid to read aloud to anyone, but with Ellie, even if he wasn't sure of the word, he would go ahead and try to read it. Now, he participates in class, reads regularly in class. Ellie has made a tremendous difference with him.
Ellie is just super with the guys.
When Ellie and I visit the Roanoke Rapids Police Department, she breaks up a lot of the negativity that they're experiencing.
When we go out on search warrants, often we encounter dogs who have been used for fighting. We come across vicious animals, and Ellie was such a reminder of what a great breed a pit bull could be.
When I was little and before I really got to know pit bulls, I was really scared of them.
Ellie has taught me not to judge a book by its cover. Ellie is just the sweetest, calmest dog you'll ever meet.
With the whole being a pit bull, we're trying to get positive attention because she's such a positive influence in our community.
What you see when you look in those eyes is a loving dog.
Ellie's a hero because she spreads love and cheer to those in need.
She has helped senior citizens, she has helped children, and she's helped the police department.
She teaches people about love, respect, and acceptance.
In the lives that she's touched, it's truly amazing.
If that is not a hero, I don't know what is.